reading books, and OTB was more than enough for me to, get the concept clarity. I'm Mallika Pathi, and I'm from Hyderabad, and I work for Deloitte. Usually, when I start preparation, I read books, and then when I don't get something, when I don't really understand something, then I go and watch Varun sir's videos, and then practice OTB, and then practice. Just book the session whenever you have the doubt. That's what I say, because the kind of knowledge they input in us, it's different. When you read it, it's the other way, but when somebody explains it to you, you get the clarity on it. Mentoring sessions are the best, and those are effective. Miles questions are tougher than the CPA real exam questions, and mock tests, those are the ones which actually give you the confidence that you are prepared.